Hey guys, my name is Savannah Coleman, and today I'm telling you guys all about me. My hometown is Plant City, Florida, and I am a fifth generation girl there. A fun fact about my town is that we are the winter strawberry capital of the world, so every year for 2 weeks we have a strawberry festival where people from around the country come and eat strawberries and just see how strawberries are made, and it's a really fun time. My favorite activities are photography and golf. I actually play golf here at Montreat, but lately photography has just been a really big passion of mine, and I just enjoy the little things and capturing every single moment. My least favorite thing to do is clean because who really likes to clean? My heroes or the people I look up to are my mom and dad, and they're gonna kill me when they see I put this picture up, but they are just my best friends and they have made me the woman that I am today, and I wouldn't be here without them. My major, I am a business administration major with a double concentration in marketing and management, and I am graduating with the class of 2021. Fun fact about me is my dog's name is Skittles because when I was 4 years old, that was my favorite candy, and it still is to this day. So I've had her for 13 years now, and she's my favorite. But it was so nice seeing all you other guys' videos, and I hope you enjoy it. And nice meeting you. Bye.